Hello, it's Bonnie from Everything Country CA, and today I have part one of my Christmas home tour with my vintage kitchen and my vintage family room. So let's get started and we'll go through these two rooms together. I decided to do green in the kitchen this year. I just love green, it's one of my favorite colors. And for the dining table in the kitchen, I decided to put the little tree, one of the ones I had in the hall last year. I dressed it up with some gingerbread fellows and some nice icicles in green that I got. And then those cookie cutters in the different shapes with the green velvet handles or ties. It's just gorgeous. And this window leads to the backyard. And we're facing a forest. I keep saying we, but it's me. Me on my own. And I put a candle in the window. And then I put some vintage decorations and those cute little reindeer with Santa Claus and the doilies. And I love this little rocking chair with the Santa. That was one of my late husband's. And that's the little table area. Got a chair beside in the red. And then over in the kitchen, I wanted to put the boughs from our backyard, some of the branches from the forest, up on the top, so that didn't take too long to do. And I added the green lights, a little ho 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 on the microwave. And then I decided to put some Christmas village pieces just because there's so much green in them and I just love, they're so cute. Get out of there with the shadow, but there you go, look at that. Just to dress up my kitchen. And then of course I added some vintage pieces. More doilies, little pot holder, the rolling pins with the green ends. And this is a vintage little decoration that does twirl if you connect it to the tree lights. And then another couple of houses from our vintage house, Christmas house village display. So I decided to set it up here. Tree in the corner there. I love that big tray. I got that this year. And there's that reindeer mug and some wooden vintage decorations. And then over in the window there's a Christmas cactus just starting to bloom. It's just gorgeous. And my aloe vera plant I use quite regularly if I have a cut or something. It's really good for healing. And then a nice soldier decoration. Reindeer is looking out the window. And then more vintage green kitchen things, the green scale, the house. There's another house from the vintage village, some tins, one of my green enamelware coffee pots, and there's some enamelware plates at the back. More of the old vintage decorations and tins. There's an old enamelware jug there at the back. And more of the utensils, the kitchen utensils in the green. And more vintage village decor. And some pot holders. And a couple more green enamelware coffee pots with the Christmas calendar at the back. And then over here I have some more of the tins that I got recently. some more vintage kitchen items, utensils, more tins, more vintage decorations for Christmas, and I just love it. So that's pretty much the kitchen. Just step back a little bit so you can see, and I'm going to put the lights out later. I'll show you the full effect. I did get a nice Christmas tea towel at one of the craft fairs. It's just gorgeous. Okay, so that's the kitchen and the dining area and the kitchen. And over here on the right is the family room, and it's a small family room. It's not too big, but it was perfect for me and my husband, and we didn't have the kids living at home anymore, so it was a good size for us. And I decorated the sides of the curtain rods and then put up the garland, and I added some red cardinals for Christmas, which I've used before. And then I got this new sign, Noel, which is really cute. And I had decorated that DIY wreath, I think last year or the year before. I sprayed that with some of the white snow to make it a white wreath, frosty wreath. And then some vintage decorations, more cardinals, some elves, and the Nutcracker guy, and another Santa. And then down below, a red and white enamelware coffee pot with the little elf or gnome, and more red and white enamelware matchbox, vintage matchbox, and there's our little wood pile area. We don't use this stove that much. So, and there I've got the other fireplace in the front room. And then over on the couch area, just added some pillows and more of the red and white enamelware coffee pots, some of the vintage items I recently bought. Those lovely buffalo check thermoses. And there's more of like the salt and pepper shakers I just got. And that's the large coffee pot. It's the Copeland Spode Tower. Thought that would look cute with the red and white. And this is another tree that I had last year, but I decorated it with the buffalo check decorations and the red gnomes, gray gnomes. And I just tied a big bow at the bottom. And then just some flowers and more of the old sweet. I love these Christmas decor with the Santa sleigh. So cute. And very vintage. And then on this table, I have this huge Santa cookie jar with those Santa salt and pepper shakers. Lots of Santa Clauses. I love Santa Clauses. Another little candle holder. That's an old one that we've had for years. The smaller Spode Tower teapot. And then the old butter churn behind it, which we used to use one like that on the farm. I think I showed you those already, the coffee pots. And I just love the red and white. Now I'll turn the lights off and show you what it looks like without the lights. So the green really stands out. It's quite bright at the top there, but I think it's cute. And then the Christmas village looks great. I hope you like it. I hope you really enjoyed this. This just makes me happy when I see the village lit up. It was one of my husband's favorite things to set up the village. And I wanted to do that this year. I've got some other themes going for the hallway and the living room, dining room, so it'll be fun to show you those next week or the week after. Stay tuned for part 2 and 3 of my tour. Oh, I just love the table. And here's the family room. It's so cozy. I used to like sitting here by myself and watching TV on my own here. My husband would often watch in the front room and I would watch here. This is my little corner. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the Christmas tour of my vintage kitchen in green, as well as the red family room in vintage decor for Christmas. And thank you for joining me, and I hope you will stay tuned for next week's video with part 2 of my Christmas decor home tour.